Of the graphs application of the TI Inspire computer software. In part 2, we are going to find the intersection of points on our graph. We're actually going to look at two methods. The first method is going to be using the point of intersection tool. So in our graph, we have from part 1, we have F1 and F2 intersected in two distinct points. We will press Menu and select Points and Lines, number 7. And then from Points and Lines, we will select Intersection of Points, which is number 3. Now you'll notice that I have the intersection tool because of the icon in the upper left-hand corner. I will click on one of the graphs, say F1. I will click on the second graph, and notice as I'm about to click on these, the points of intersection are revealed. When I do click on those, they are there permanently. To remove the intersection tool, press Escape, and the icon is removed from the upper left-hand corner. A second method of finding an intersection, if you wanted to look specifically at one intersection, would be to use the Analyze Graph menu. So I click on Menu, go to Analyze Graph, and I'm going to use number 4, Intersection. I move my cursor, if I'm looking at the leftmost point of intersection, I move my cursor, notice there's a dotted line. It also says lower bound in the lower left-hand corner. I'm just going to place that vertical dotted line to the left or to the lower side of the point of intersection. And now it's asking, if you look in the lower left-hand corner, for the upper bound. So as I move my cursor, this finger here, to the upper side of the point of intersection and click, it will then give me that point of intersection. Again, I can do that with the other point of intersection. Notice the intersection tool went away. So again, I go Menu, Analyze Graph, Intersection. Now that Analyze Graph Intersection tool is there, it wants the lower bound. I click my perpendicular or my vertical dotted line to the left of this point of intersection. And then it wants the upper bound. I move that dotted line to the right of the point of intersection and click, and the point of intersection is revealed.